Are you on the lookout for a powerful 3D modeling software that can help you to take your projects to the next level? Well, you're in luck, because Autodesk has got you covered with not just one, but two amazing software solutions, Autodesk Inventor and Fusion 360. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the features and capabilities of both Inventor and Fusion 360 to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your project requirements. We'll be exploring these differences in detail, taking a look at the user interface, modeling capabilities, assembly features, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which software solution is best suited for your needs. But wait, there's more. We've also included affiliate links to both Autodesk Inventor and Fusion 360 in the video description below. By clicking on these links, you can get started on your next engineering project right away and support our channel at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment with your feedback. We'd love to hear from you. What is Autodesk Inventor? Autodesk Inventor is a 3D CAD program designed for professionals working on complex mechanical and engineering projects. This software has been around for 20 years, and it offers a stable and reliable platform with a wide range of customizable tools. Inventor is capable of designing complex models with thousands of parts, making it ideal for large-scale projects such as car designs. The software provides high-performance engineering tools for accurate mechanical parts, allowing you to gather documentation and perform simulations and tests to prepare your model for production. One of the real advantages of Autodesk Inventor is its simulation capabilities. The software allows you to perform dynamic simulation and stress analysis on the parts you have created, as well as large assemblies. This is perfect for anticipating how your product will perform in real-life scenarios and improving your iteration process. Design automation is also a big advantage provided by Autodesk Inventor. Using iLogic, the design can apply automation rules to assemblies. What is Autodesk Fusion 360? Autodesk Fusion 360 is a more modern 3D modeling software that combines CAD, CAM, and CAE software. It offers a modern approach to design and provides numerous tools for design, simulation, and production. Fusion 360 is cloud-based, making it much easier to work in teams, and offers the ability to perform stress tests, simulations, or get the necessary documentation. The tools of Autodesk Fusion 360 allow for precise 3D modeling, rapid prototyping, generative design, and manufacturing. You can determine usability before the production to catch as many potential failures as possible. You can test different alternatives for your design and find new, innovative solutions. Additionally, you will have access to pre-made 3D models such as gears and screws. User interface. When it comes to user interface, both Autodesk Inventor and Fusion 360 have intuitive and user-friendly interfaces that are designed to help users create 3D models with ease. However, there are some notable differences between the two software programs. Autodesk Inventor has a classic user interface that is similar to other Autodesk products, such as AutoCAD. The interface is organized into multiple panels, which can be customized to fit the user's preferences. The user interface is also highly responsive and provides quick access to frequently used commands and features. On the other hand, Fusion 360 has a more modern and streamlined user interface that is designed for users who want a simpler and more intuitive experience. The interface is organized into four main workspaces: Model, Patch, Render, and Animation. That can be easily accessed from a single toolbar. This allows users to quickly switch between different mods and tools as they work on their projects. In terms of customization, both software programs offer a high degree of flexibility, allowing users to customize the interface to suit their needs. However, Inventor offers more customization options, allowing users to create custom panels and commands, while Fusion 360 provides a simpler and more streamlined interface. System requirements. When it comes to system requirements, Autodesk Fusion 360 is more versatile, running on both Mac and Windows. This makes it much easier to change between computers or work on a project in teams, especially thanks to its cloud-based functionality. Autodesk Inventor, on the other hand, only works with Windows. Although you can still run it on a Mac computer, it requires a Windows partition, which may be inconvenient for some users. Regarding storage, Autodesk Inventor is a heavier software and requires more memory to run. It is recommended to have 20 GB RAM and requires a minimum of 8 GB. Running Fusion 360 needs just 4 GB, making it more accessible to users with lower-end machines. The reason for this difference is that Inventor is a 3D software aimed at larger projects with thousands of parts that require more memory. Learning curve. Autodesk Fusion 360 is known for its easier learning curve than Inventor, although both software have many advanced tools that will take some time to discover. Fusion 360's interface is more modern, sleek, and intuitive. On the other hand, Inventor's interface offers a more traditional feeling, which may be more comfortable for some users. However, if you're planning to design objects that will contain many parts, Inventor will be clearer to work with. It has more options for customization and tools to work with larger projects. In contrast, Fusion 360 provides more streamlined options that may be more suitable for smaller projects with less complexity. Tools. Design automation is also a big advantage provided by Autodesk Inventor. Using iLogic, the design can apply automation rules to assemblies, making it easier to modify and update large models. This feature can be especially helpful for businesses that need to create and produce a large number of products quickly. A business that needs to create and produce a large number of products quickly can use iLogic to automate the design process. They can set rules to generate and modify designs based on specific criteria, such as product specifications, material selection, and production requirements. This automation can save significant time and effort, as designers no longer need to manually create each design variation. Fusion 360 also provides powerful design automation capabilities through its scripting and automation interface. With Fusion 360's API, Application Programming Interface, users can create custom scripts and add-ins to automate repetitive tasks and streamline their design processes. Additionally, Fusion 360 has a built-in feature called Design Automation that enables users to automate the creation of 3D models based on predefined rules and parameters. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to create standardized products or components quickly and efficiently. Pricing. When it comes to pricing, both Inventor and Fusion 360 are professional-grade software that provide highly advanced options. Inventor offers free student licenses, which is a great way to get started with the software. For regular users, there are 3 subscription plans available: monthly, yearly, and 3 years. The monthly subscription costs $250, the yearly subscription costs $1,985, and the 3-year subscription costs $5,360. Fusion 360 offers a free 30-day trial and 3-year licenses for students. For regular users, the subscription costs are also available on a monthly, yearly, and 3-year basis. The monthly subscription costs $60, the yearly subscription costs $495, and 3-year subscription costs $1,335. In conclusion, both Inventor and Fusion 360 are powerful players in the 3D modeling world. They both allow you to design parts, test them, and manufacture. Inventor provides you with a wide range of tools for very complex objects, and Fusion 360 offers professional options for mechanical projects. Although similar, Fusion 360 has a more modern look and Inventor is more stable and traditional. Both software offer stable performance and necessary tools for various engineering and design projects. So it's up to you to make decisions according to your needs.